5.
Hi, my name is Tofani. Welcome to the Notes from the 6th grade, the program that tells you everything you wanted to know about the 6th grade. Today, my special guest is Saraya. Saraya will be talking to us about her experience at summer camp. Welcome, Saraya. Also joining us is class 605. Welcome. So, Saraya, tell us about your experience at camp.
Well, at summer camp, I went to a camp called Fresh Air Fund, and at the camp, you basically go to a family's house and you stay there and you live with them for 10 days, I think, and then when you go there, you basically live with a different family, and it's for kids from New York City to go out and, get outdoors and stuff. And also it's for kids to go and see how another life is, living with another family and experience different things they never got to do before. And my experience at camp was great.
What did you do? Did you go anywhere?
Yes, I went to a theme park called Great Escape.
When you found out that you were going to live with another family, were you nervous?
A little, not a lot, because when you get there and you get there to the second day, it's different because you actually finally start conforming to the family and you have your own room. Well, sometimes you have your own room and you get to know them better, and it's like it's like your second family.
How did you get there?
I took a bus.
Oh. I think we have a question from the audience.
How old were you when you first went to that camp?
I was 8 years old when I first started going to the camp.
How many years did you spend at the camp?
I went there for 4 years.
Was there anything else you did than go to Great Escape?
Yes, actually, I went to a lake, and at the lake we went and we got on this big giant floaty that we called Big Bertha, and we laid the floaty mats over it, and we took a broken broom and all of the friends got on a big giant floaty, and we took the brooms and used them as paddles, and we floated away across the lake. It was pretty fun. And we also roasted marshmallows.
Well, that's all the time we have for today. See you again next time on Notes from the 6th grade.